In the streets he stands tall, hopes and dreams deserve the call. Justice fair for one and all, rises when the night does fall. Lead through life, the nation's light, guiding us through darkest night. Promises to make it right, in every heart he ignites. God's vision for tomorrow, no more pain, no more for sorrow. Raise our voice, let's follow dreams of peace, no shadow. From the mountains to the sea, he unites our destiny. People power sets us free, believing in democracy. In his eyes a fire burns, every step he firmly learns. Rivers flow and bridges turn, his embrace the nation yearns. Come through life, the nation's light, guiding us through darkest night. Promises to make it right, in every heart he ignites. God's vision for tomorrow, no more pain, no more for sorrow. Raise our voice, let's follow dreams of peace, no shadow. From the mountains to the sea, he unites our destiny. People power sets us free, believes of peace, no shadow. Dreams of peace, no shadow. No shadow. No shadow. From the mountains to the sea, he unites our destiny. People power sets us free, believing in democracy. From the mountains to the sea, he unites our destiny. People power sets us free, believes our peace, no shadow. Dreams of peace, no shadow.